welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button beside it for you to know if I have a new video. And as you can see on the title, this is going to be a clothing haul finally. This is in collaboration with ZAFUL and ROSEGAL. And if you're interested with what I got, just please keep on watching. So, first things first, just a quick chit-chat. So, for the ZAFUL guys, medyo madami-dami yung nakuha ko sa kanila. And for the ROSEGAL naman, 2 items lang yung nakuha ko. And for the ZAFUL guys, nagka-problema ako ng very light. Medyo natagalan yung shipment nila. For the shipment guys, naka 3 shipments sa akin si ZAFUL. It takes almost a month bago ko na-receive lahat ng products. So, yung first 2 weeks guys, dun ako medyo nahirapan kasi place ko na yung order ko but hindi pa nila pinaprocess. For like 2 weeks guys, hindi nila na-process yung order ko. So, hindi sila sabay-sabay na ship out guys. It's because yung ibang items na in-order ko from ZAFUL is sold out that time. So, ang strategy nila for their shipment is pinapa-ship out muna nila kung ano lang available. And then, ihahabol na lang nila yung remaining products na sold out na. So, while si ROSEGAL naman guys, they emailed me and they gave me a discount code. If you're following me on Instagram, I'm sure na alam mo yung discount code na yun. But, that's for 1 week only, guys. So, I'm very sorry if hindi ko na siya ma-share kasi tapos na yun. They told me na pumili daw ako ng items. 2 items lang yung nagustuhan ko that time. That's why 2 lang yung nakuha ko. So, now let's start. And ito pala sila lahat, guys. Ayan. So, medyo madami-dami sila and mabigat to, ano. Now, let's start muna sa ZAFUL. And for the ZAFUL, guys, may mga kinuha kong non-clothing, men's clothing, and syempre, sa women's clothing na. So, unahin muna natin sa non-clothing. So, the first thing that I got for the non-clothing is this belt. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, super haba neto, guys. Ba't napunta to dito? Oh my gosh. Hindi ito yung typical belt na may mga butas dito and meron kang itutusok. So, wala siyang ganon. Kinuha ko to, guys, kasi nagustuhan ko yung buckles niya. Gold and then wala lang, nakakadagdag siya ng accent kapag sinuot siya, right? So, I'm going to flash na lang on your screen kung anong itsura niya once you wear it. And yeah. So, the next thing that I got for the non-clothing is this one. So, this is a bag. And as you can see, guys, this is the well-known ZAFUL packaging. Yung kanilang ziplock na super nagustuhan ko kasi very reusable. Kumuha ako ng bag from them, guys, kasi gusto ko talaga malaman yung quality ng ZAFUL. That's why tinry ko pati sa men's clothing, diba? So, ayan. This is the actual look ng bag. Ayan. So, leather type siya na bag, guys. And ito yung mga details niya. Ayan. So, meron siya sa ilalim. And here's the front. Ayan. So, hindi ito yung ginagamit pang lock, guys. Na-open to ng ganyan. Ayan. Magnet siya na open. And sa sides, ayan. Very high quality yung feeling niya. And I think hindi naman siya basta-basta masisira. Ito yung kinuha kong design. Parang tote bag. Kasi matagal na akong naghahanap ng tote bag, guys, na very unique yung form and yung design niya. So, luckily, nakakita ako sa ZAFUL. So, kinuha ko na siya. Ayan. Actually, guys, nakakaloka pa. Gulat ako nung pag-open ko ng bag na to, may kasama pa siyang sling bag na maliit. And this one. So, ito siya. So, may small pocket lang siya. And then, sa loob, wala lang. Yung typical sling bag lang siya na isang lagayan lang ng gamit. And meron din siyang kasamang strap na mahaba. And actually, pwede ko silang ipagpalit ng strap. Ayan. So, ito yung strap nung isa. Medyo makapal. Sa sling bag naman na maliit, manipis lang yung strap niya. So, pwede ko naman silang ipagpalit parehas. Super na-amaze ako sa bag na to, guys. Nagulat ako pag open ko, merong ganito sa loob. Parang nanganak yung bag, diba? So, nakakaloka yun. Now, let's proceed naman sa men's clothing. Yung iba dito sa men's clothing, guys, is wala na sa akin kasi nakuha na po sila ng mga nagmamay-ari. This is the first one. So, itong mga natira dito, guys, na clothing from ZAFUL is for my boyfriend. Here it is. So, ayan. This is a cargo pants for men's. And super sakto lang nung size na napili ko for my boyfriend. So, eto siya. And i-flash ko na lang yung try-on, guys, para makita nyo. Super duper ganda niya, guys. Lalo na yung quality niya. hindi siya basta-basta na tela na madaling masira or kapag winashing machine, masisira agad, ganon. So, okay naman siya. So, yeah. This one is this jacket. So, karamihan ng nakuha ko sa ZAFUL, guys, is jacket talaga. Kasi, super na-amaze ako sa mga jackets, guys, ng ZAFUL. As in, super ganda nila. So, ito yung jacket na nakuha ko for my boyfriend. So, ayan. May mga details lang siyang ganyan. So, makikita nyo naman sa try-on. Stripe hoodies. Super duper ganda ng quality niya, guys. As in, mabigat siya hawakan actually. And polyester yung material na ginamit sa kanya. So, ayan. Sakto lang yung fit niya sa boyfriend. So, the next thing that I got for the men's clothing, guys, is wala na dito sa akin. So, binigay ko na siya sa best friend ko, guys. Ang kinuha ko is a army green na kind of a jacket. So, super duper ganda niya. And yung quality niya, guys, is super duper good. As in, nagulat ako na, oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. And sa lahat ng nakuha ko from ZAFUL, itong bomber jacket na to yung pinakamahal, guys. That's why super na-amaze ako na worth it naman yung price niya kahit papano. So, and lastly, for the men's clothing, guys, binigay ko na siya sa brother ko. So, nakuha na rin niya. But, yeah, super ganda rin nung nakuha ko for my brother. Super simple na lang, but still maganda pa rin yung quality, guys. And so, ipapakita ko na lang din siya sa try-on. So, now let's proceed naman sa mga nakuha ko na items for myself. So, tatlo yung top na nakuha ko, guys, from ZAFUL. The first top that I have in here is a white top. So, ito siya. Sleeveless lang siya na top, guys. Ayan. Super cute niya lang. And yung quality niya, guys, I think yung tela na ito is cotton, na parang may pagka-spandex, and super ganda niya, guys. Hindi siya parang tela na cheap. So, kasi karamihan sa mga napanood ko na ZAFUL haul, guys, medyo na-disappoint sila sa ibang products na nakuha nila, and super kinakabahan ako na sana hindi rin ako ma-disappoint sa mga makukuha ko. The next top that I have in here is this one. So, ayan, super cute, right? So, this is a halter top. May pagka-spandex din yung tela niya, but still cotton pa rin siya. Medyo nagiging trendy na kasi yung mga shiny tops. I don't know if ako lang yung nakakapansin, but yeah. And perfect siya actually if magwawalwalan kayo at night, right? As in, saktong-sakto yung size niya sa akin. Fit na fit siya. And this is in the size small, by the way. Pati yung isang top ko, that is in the size small din. Next top that I have is this jacket. So, syempre, hindi ako nagpatalo, guys. Kumuha rin ako ng jacket for myself. And actually, this is like a bomber jacket din. Here it is. Ayan. So, makikita nyo naman siya sa try-on. So, hindi nyo siya ma-appreciate sa ganito-ganito lang. That's why, nauso ang try-on. And dalawa lang yung favorite ko sa mga nakuha ko from ZAFUL. And isa ito doon. Super duper ganda niya, guys. Promise, I super duper love it. Like, thank God, nahanap ko tong ganitong kind of jacket. Para siyang crop na kind of jacket. So, ayan, medyo makapal yung band niya dito sa baba. So, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Sakto lang yung fit niya sa akin. Lastly, for the ZAFUL. So, this is a pants. Ito yung sinasabi ko na isa ko ring favorite sa ZAFUL haul ko, guys. And this is a cargo pants, guys. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Super duper ganda niya, guys. Nakakaloka. Actually, guys, I saw this one from Ray Hermar. If you haven't watched my Wacol Mood vlog, so that is my vlog number 2. So, nag-meet and greet kami with Ray Hermar and Miggy there. Ito yung ginamit ng pants that day. So, nung nakita ko na maganda naman talaga siya in person, sabi ko, bibilin ko din talaga siya sa ZAFUL kasi rare ka lang makakahanap ng ganitong kind of cargo pants na maganda siya, pang street style for women's. And yeah, super nice nung fit niya sa akin, guys. As in, I really, really love this. Yung mga details na, all that stuff, super nice talaga, guys. Oh my God, I'm so happy with this cargo pants, guys. As in, I'm so happy with this cargo pants. That is it with the ZAFUL. So, now let's proceed naman kay Rosegal. So, dalawa lang tong items na nakuha ko from Rosegal. The first one from Rosegal, guys, is this one. So, this is a black dress. Ito siya. So, hindi nyo na naman siya ma-appreciate. So, tignan nyo na lang sa try-on ko. So, I super duper like the fit of this, guys. As in, nakaka-sexy. Oh my goodness. Ang problema ko lang sa kanya is medyo mababa yung dito sa dibdib niya. But your girl is wala namang maipapakita and walang hinaharap. So, okay lang sa akin kasi nadadala ko pa rin naman siya. Nagulat lang ako pagdating sa sleeve niya, guys. Kasi parang may pagka-jacket style yung dulo ng sleeves niya. But still, maganda pa rin naman. And yeah, I super love it pa rin. Lastly, for the Rosegal, super gusto ko tong item na to, guys. But Hindi ko lang bet yung color for myself. So, ewan ko, siguro ma-appreciate ko din siya sooner or later kasi for sure gagamitin at gagamitin ko talaga to. So, this is a corduroy jacket. So, I super love this, guys. Matagal na rin akong naghahanap ng corduroy jacket, guys. As in, lagi ako nagtitingin-tingin sa mga thrift stores for this kind of cloth kasi pakaramdam ko, ang hirap nang hanapin sa malls. Super duper love it. Ayan. So, guys, tingnan nyo naman yung color. White, gray, and blue. Ang in-order ko is blue-green, hindi blue. Nakakaloka. Actually, yung tag niya, ZAFUL din. So, nagulat ako, may connection ba si ZAFUL at si Rosegal? So, I don't know. It's a mystery. May packets siya, by the way. So, dalawa yung packets niya sa sides. But still, thankful pa rin ako kasi nakahanap na ako ng ganitong kind of jacket. So, yeah, that is it for this clothing haul, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung mga outfit na nakuha ko from ZAFUL and Rosegal. Thank you so much, ZAFUL and Rosegal, for this opportunity na ma-try and ma-test out yung mga clothes nyo, and I'm super duper happy with what I got. I hope you like this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media handles. It is always linked down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye! Mwah.